So hey guys, welcome sa aking channel, your boy JRP. So ngayong araw na yung magre-react tayo sa isang video about LeBron James flopping. Yeah. So si the King LeBron. So fan po ako ni LeBron since 2011 nung lumipat po siya sa sa Miami. Before that, Kobe. So 2010 lang ako naging fan ni Kobe, pero 2011 LeBron na talaga eh. Kahit ng mga Golden State era na, LeBron pa rin ako nun. So pero ito lang ang nakakadismaya sa kanya, no, itong pagpa-flop niya. Marami na rin nag-call out sa kanya dito, no. So magre-react tayo sa video kung saan siya nagpa-flop, no. Baka mali ang ating so, kasi tinawag siyang deflop eh. So, without further ado, let's get it on.
Son being fined $5,000 for the flopping violation, LeBron.
It is what it is.
Did you earn it?
Napikon siya.
Did I earn it? I quit it. Next question.
Yung hairline ni LeBron, no, parang dito bata pa siya pero tumataas na talaga yung hairline niya eh. Ngayon, kalbo na siya.
Butler throws a tough pass inside. Here comes Cole, and we got a whistle. Boy, that was
Ito ba yung
close
Bulls
to a
ni
flagrant for Nate Robinson. He delivered a pretty good blow on that pass transition. Watch this right.
During this time, bro, sobrang naiinis talaga ako kay Derrick Rose kasi pinapahirapan niya talaga ang big three ng Miami, bro. Sina D-Wade, Chris Bosh at si LeBron. Nakakasabay siya ng laro. Tsaka sobrang naiinis ako sa kanya kasi ang galing niya eh. Big 3 na yun na medyo nasasabayan niya. So grabe talaga yung D-Rose, bro. Galing. Kaso na injury siya eh. So very talaga na unfortunate yung nangyari kay D-Rose.
Here he hits him in the face. You can hear the crowd reacting.
Interpreted to be unnecessary.
There's a better look at it, Marv.
Yeah, and a flagrant 2 if contact is interpreted to be unnecessary and excessive.
That looked like Nate was going after the.
Sinisipon ako to eh. Siguro kung extra lang talaga si LeBron, no, kasi dito lang natamaan, pwede lang gaganon lang siya, pero tumutumba talaga siya eh. So parang sinisel niya talaga, no, na tamaan siya. So madami rin tumatawag sa kanya dun, tumatawag ng pansin niya dun kasi flopping na talaga yun eh. Yun know. Yun, may tama yun, pero kung hindi mo iindahin, hindi mo talaga yun maano. Pero kung pagtama na tapos inextrahan mo, flopping na tayo.
Offensive foul.
Now I've got to see this one again.
Ito rin.
If Paul George really did get LeBron James in the floor
isa rin to sa nagpahirap sa Miami noon. Grabe to. Indiana.
area here. Here's the curl. Uh-oh. That may be another
$5,000 fine.
That may be another. Well, he's already had one, so doesn't it go up to 10?
That's right. It escalates.
Could this be another fine for LeBron James on the
Ayun,
flop
konti
right
lang
there?
Has to be.
Konting kontak lang eh. Tapos maano talaga yun, matitake mo yun eh. Pero gumaganto pati. Tumitilapon talaga siya. Nagpapaano talaga siya sa referee.
There's a little bit of contact there, but not as much as
Contact by James. Instead, it's a takeaway from LeBron. 6 early turnovers. That is ruled last touch by West. It'll be Miami ball. As West disagrees with John Goldman's call.
Yeah, I like the fact that that was a hard track.
Pacers that have to get it.
You're going to see it right there. Now it comes down to whether or not the ball definitely is off LeBron James. As the ball almost came to you to give you a little one-on-one.
Got deflected just enough for the Pacers to have to get it and get a shot up.
Oh, he's faking.
points. The Pacers outscored the Heat 28-14 in the third quarter.
Kahit balbas lang matamaan kay Lebron. In-extrahan niya na eh. Grabe to si Lebron. Uy,
I mean, he pushed him, but
yun
flagrant?
medyo malakas yun.
That's not a flagrant.
They called that flagrant?
Kasi hindi nakita ni Lebron. Ayun,
Oh, come
medyo
on.
gumana ng ulo niya eh.
What kind of league are we becoming
Yeah, medyo
if that's a
ano to.
flagrant foul?
Medyo malakas-lakas yun.
And I feel LeBron James was getting just fronting David West.
James just went down as George
Nangyari sa kanya.
into the floor so they can avoid those struggles putting the ball in the basket. Rose looking for a steal, made contact with James, and the foul called.
Itong version ni Rose na to, sobrang lakas to bro. Point guard siya pero sobrang grabe.
Second on Rose.
James here, look after the play.
Pa. Yan ang nakakainis dun. Alam mo na talagang sinasadya yan ang ganun. Late lang ang tama eh.
Shot clock down to 7. Hayward comes to help. And the win a penalty. Crowd doesn't like the call. Calls. And a technical foul on Rick Cole. We'll have 3 free throws now for Miami. Here's the personal foul.
Oh
That's a
no.
flop.
Entry pass into Gibson.
Flop siya yun bro.
Gibson swallowed up.
100% flop.
And Muhammad fouls LeBron James, and then a technical foul on James. And Muhammad, for some reason, shoves James. And we're having it again. Players losing their cool.
Because James fell down. That's just a foul.
So James throwing him down, and then Muhammad responding to it.
You know what? I get it, why he called the T. This one's obvious.
But the Pacers able to keep the Heat out of that game that they like to play. Rhythm, spacing, flow.
Now, how can this happen? You're going to tell me little DJ Augustine is going to go to the chest of LeBron James and knock him down like that?
Augustine is surprisingly strong, Reggie.
Are you kidding me?
Winning the championship on this floor. Here's the last play as Fisher picks up his second.
Siya pa natumbaw.
Derek Fisher is one of the few guys that actually could knock LeBron James down. He dropped layup and then good anticipation by James for the steal, and I'm not giving him that call. If I'm the referee, fall out of bounds, good. Nick Paul going the other way.
They're both battling for it. J.R. Smith and the Knicks didn't like the call.
Extra talaga. Extra talaga.
They just showed the replay on the big screen.
Like he was trying.
So yun lang no. Medyo may mga play doon na may tama talaga. Malakas talaga no. Pero yung iba, karamihan talaga doon. Extra na lang niya no. Kasi kahit masagil mo lang yung balbas niya, ganyan. Anuin niya. I-extra niyang movement niya. Para i-sell yung ano, para matawagan ng referee no. So medyo may ano din ang mga tao no, bakit siya tinawag na flopping king ganun. So yun lang guys no. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe sa aking channel no. So yun lang no. So next video ulit.